Yo, what's up, family? This is your goddamn Tanna from Tanna So Lit, and this is a video right here. I'm about to show you guys some cases that Ringke sent me for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, Ringke always looks out for me, man, and always send me a nice, classy, and well-presented package and everything. So for those who are new to the channel and everything, man, this is how it's gonna go. First off, man, Ringke sent me, once again, a nice thank you letter and everything, which I really appreciate. Woo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, no doubt about it. Man, mad salute to you, Ringke. You're more than welcome, and thank you for rocking with my channel for 2 years strong. Now, the first thing I see right here is the Ringke Dual Easy Film. This is a matte finish screen protector for the Note 10 and everything. But for me, my Note 10 came with a screen protector already, but for those who want to go ahead and try it out, this is a quality product, no question about it. All right, let's move it to the side. Now, the first case I see right here, this one right here is the Ringke Onyx case, and it's in all black. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's up with that one. And this one at the bottom, oh boy. Anyway, let me go ahead and make everything happen and stop the yapping. Let's get it. Hey, yo, family, by the way, there was a third case in the box that I didn't let you guys see. It was the Ringke mirror for the Note 10. And you want to know why it wasn't in the box? Because from day one, I didn't have a case for my phone. Ringke hit me up first, and this has been my daily driver case on my Note 10. No question about it. Now let's go ahead and take a tour. Now, as far as the camera protection, yeah, it's pretty decent. Yes, indeed. It's not the thickest in the world, but your camera's secure up in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, as far as the bottom cutouts, you got the noise canceling microphone right there, the USB-C connector, the speaker, and your beloved S Pen. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. On the right, the left side of the case, you got your volume rocker buttons right here, well pronounced and everything. They stand out so you can feel them. And also your power/Bixby button on deck. Now, as far as the top of the case right here, you got both noise canceling microphone cutouts, perfect as can be. Now, on the right side of the case, absolutely nothing, just a little Ringke branding, very tastefully designed case. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If you want this case, it's mad affordable, and as you can see, it shows off the beauty of your phone to perfection. Hey, the link is below in the description. Now, as for the next case up, yes, indeed, it's this one right here, the Ringke Onyx. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As you can see, you got the little brush steel design on the back, even though it's made out of TPU plastic and everything. But then it has this rubbery/carbon print that's on here, and it's pretty damn dope. They switched this up this year. Ringke, nice job.
Damn right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This right here is a slim fit case and everything for minimal protection, man. Basically for like little drops or scuffs or anything. This case right here is good for that. Now, as far as the bottom of the case right here, as far as the cutouts go, you got your noise canceling mic right there. Yes, indeed. Your USB-C port on deck, your speaker, and your beloved S Pen. This is cut to perfection, so you got access to all that down there. Now, on the left side of the case right here are your buttons. You can feel them and everything. They ain't recessed or nothing like that, so they're official. You got your volume rocker right there, your power/Bixby button, which is texturized, so you won't get those mixed up and everything. And your lanyard hole right there. In case you got a lanyard or anything on deck, you can slide it right through there and you're good. Now, on the right side of the case, absolutely nothing, just beauty right here. I like the little design right there. That's pretty lit. Nice job, Ringke. Now, at the top of the case, you got the cutouts for both noise canceling microphones and everything, and speakers or whatever that other hole is. It's a cutout for it, and it's on deck. Now, as far as the raised lip in the front, let's see how much lip you get on the front. Okay, you get a decent amount of lip, so the screen is protected, no question about it. Now, as far as the camera cutout, let's see. All right. Yeah, it's in there, yeah.
That's what she said.
Okay.
This boy here is official. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If you're interested in getting it, the link is below in the description. Now, let's get to the next case. Let's go. And peeps, last but not finally least, the Ringke Fusion X with the camo print on the back.
Lord have mercy. The Lord is my shepherd. He know what I want.
Shoo, woo. high sorcery on deck. Yes, sir, yes, sir. One of my favorite cases of all time, period.
He ain't lying.
All right, peeps, let's take a tour of the case. Let's get it. Now, as far as the camera hole cutout, let's see how deep that boy is. Oh man, that's maximum protection right there. And then right here with the extra cushion, man, nothing's gonna happen to your wonderful phone or your damn camera. No question about it. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Man, oh man. And on the bottom, the cutouts, man, you got your noise canceling microphone, USB-C port right there, the speaker, and your beloved S Pen. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Man, easy access to it. Y'all see that? Man, oh man, oh man. Now, on the left side of the case, you got your volume rocker buttons. They're separated and labeled. Then you got your texturized power/Bixby button. Oh, this is some sauce. Then you got the chamfered edge right here. Woo! This case is built like a damn Lambo. Man, and then right here, you got the lanyard cutouts if you got a lanyard on deck. Then at the top of the phone, you got the cutouts for the noise canceling microphones. And on the left side of the case right here, man, one huge chamfered edge, which is great. Then the Fusion X branding right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And peeps, the back of the case also is texturized, meaning no fingerprints. Man, oh man, oh man. So no fingerprints and this raw ass camouflage design. Man, this boy right here is some heat. Another reason why this case right here is one of my all-time favorites. These right here are very protective. Man, I done dropped many of phones rocking the Fusion X and nothing happened to them. I'm talking about from 2 stories and above, man. It's incredible, people. I'm telling you. Man, if you're interested in getting this camouflage Fusion X, the link is below in the description. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, all right, everybody. That just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up because that's official. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan, Tanna, and Team Lit, then do that too because that's official too. All right, everybody. Get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.